Hey guys, and thank you so much for joining me here on Product Perspective. Now I know these may be really hard times, but hopefully my videos will help you decide on some options or at least just entertainment for you guys while you guys are stuck at home. But make sure you guys stay safe and healthy. So today I'm going to be talking about the iPhone SE 2, but they just called it the SE, iPhone SE. It was literally just released. They just posted a video and a press release. But otherwise, that's it. There's no event or anything because of what's happening right now in 2020. But first of all, it's only a like 58-second video, and they go through just all the steps. And of course, Apple knows how to make a video very well. You want to buy the phone right away. But the whole thing about this phone is it looks just like the iPhone 8, but it has a lot of very nice features to it. So first of all, they just started with the video. It has Touch ID, and it talks about the new 13 Bionic chip, which is pretty much the iPhone 11, same chip there. So you're getting a lot faster phone, but in the same body as the old SE. So it has a 4.7-inch screen. So you're having that small screen, but with a lot more power to it. The camera is a lot better camera with 4K video. It also has the portrait lighting effect and portrait on it. So that's really nice, kind of like the XR. You have water resistant up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. So that's also another nice feature to have there. And they're also saying a very long battery life. Of course, we can't really test that right now until we have the phone. And we might also get wireless charging, which would be something that a lot of people would really like there as well. And we're talking about a very nice price tag at only $399. So a lot of you guys have older phones, or you just didn't want to spend that money because the new iPhone 11 and the iPhone X and all those lines are just really expensive phones. So you've just been sticking with your old phone, but it's been getting slower and slower, and you want better cameras, you want better battery life. This phone is definitely going to give it to you. Now, of course, it's the small phone, but a lot of you guys like smaller phones. As we've seen in a lot of new phones that have been released recently, they come out with a smaller phone. A very smart move with Apple to make a small phone, but not a fancy phone, so you can kind of keep the price tag low, but still get a lot of really good features. That's really all we have to base off of is this 58-second video and the news release that they came out with that as well. But otherwise, that's pretty much it. So hopefully you guys like this video. Make sure you guys stay tuned. Consider subscribing if you guys want to check out new videos. And I'll see you guys back in another video.